Hi guys, welcome back to another stream of It's a DARMAR. I had a great chance to work with Kitbash3D and I created a new cover art for them, so this will be a sped up version of that video, and I really enjoyed this spaceships cover because it's the field that I enjoy quite a lot working in, vehicles and stuff like that. But what I want to inform you today is that I finally finished my book Inside the 44 after 4 years. And I'm very happy to announce that because it has been very long 4 years. I've been pushing this project quite hard and it developed from the scratch. The whole science fiction universe is developed in it. And I enjoyed a lot, suffered a lot, was in pain a lot, but altogether I would always repeat it again because it was an amazing experience to build the world from scratch. So for you, some of you that don't know what Inside 44 it is a whole science fiction world that I built as an art book. It has a backstory about a diabetic character. There is also backstory about Moon, Mars and Earth that were in the war 30 years before the story starts. And we pick up the story from there, and you will be able to see new races, you will be able to see villains, spaceships of course, vehicles, planets described, storyline, scenes, weapons, characters, their backstories, and it's all on 370 pages A4 with full print images, designs in 3D. 70% of it is in 3D, and I'm 3D printing toys at the moment as we speak, and t-shirts, preparing the Kickstarter campaign. So it has been a great journey, a really long journey, and one more time I'm saying I'm really happy that I'm finishing this. I want to thank to everybody who supported it, who was there for last 4 years, and thank you so much guys for everything you did for me and that you pushed me when I was in big problems. Will I finish or will I not? And yeah, that's it pretty much for this video. On the next one I'm gonna talk a bit more about Inside 44, but this was just let's say pre-release video. So yeah, thank you very much and hope you enjoy the process of drawing this Kitbash. Feel free to check it out on the comments and check out the spaceship kit that I think you'll truly enjoy and that I used on this cover art. See you around guys.